Welcome to the University of Colorado Museum of Natural History Zoom tutorial. In this video, we'll review all you need to know to participate online during one of our Zoom programs. Let's get started by reviewing the steps to set up Zoom on your personal device. To get started with Zoom on a desktop or laptop computer, begin by searching for the Zoom website. From here, we can click the main search result and navigate to zoom.us. Zoom's homepage makes it simple to sign up. We can click one of the orange Sign Up for Free buttons and then enter our email address. Please note that you do not have to enter a work email. A personal email address is all you need. Once you've signed up, Zoom will send you a confirmation email and instruct you to download the Zoom application on your computer. If at any time you skip the downloading process, you can always search for Zoom again and then click the download link under the main search result. From Zoom's Download Center, we can click the blue Download button and then wait for Zoom to download to our computer. We can then open the application and follow the on-screen installation steps to finish the process. If you do not have a desktop or laptop computer, you can access Zoom on a tablet or mobile device by searching for the application in your App Store, downloading it, and following the on-screen instructions. The museum will email a Zoom link to the program for which you're registered. Simply click the link in your email and then click the Open Zoom.us button that automatically appears. Please note that you may need to wait in a Zoom waiting room like this one prior to the start of the program. Now that we've covered how to set up Zoom on your personal device, let's review the 5 controls most commonly used during Zoom programs. As a participant, you may be asked to mute or unmute your audio, to start or stop displaying video of yourself, or to chat about or react to parts of the program. You may also be asked to respond to polls sent by the host, and you may need to leave the program before it has ended. When you enter one of the museum's programs, you'll be asked to join with your device's audio. To test your device's speaker and microphone, you may click the link below the blue button. Doing so will open a box instructing you to listen and speak for an audio quality check. When your speaker and microphone are set up, you may return to the Join with Computer Audio box. If your device's audio is not working to your satisfaction, you may wish to join the meeting via phone by dialing in to one of the numbers listed under Phone Call. When you're ready to join with your device's audio, click the blue button. The Mute/Unmute button appears as a microphone icon. Here it is in the bottom left corner with a red slash, indicating that we are muted. We can unmute and be heard by everyone by clicking the button. Note that the host may ask participants to stay muted during parts of the program. Finally, if you would like to manage additional audio settings, you may click the arrow to the right of the Mute/Unmute button. Starting your video is similar to unmuting. When you would like to be seen by everyone, you can simply click the Start Video button, which appears as a camera icon. Additionally, you can change video settings by clicking the arrow to the right of the button. Here we see a gallery view with a host video on the left and ours on the right. If we would like to see a bigger version of the host video, we can click Speaker View. This will allow us to focus only on those speaking during the program. Of course, we can always change back to gallery view to see every participant. And if we would like to see only other participants, but still allow them to see us, we can click in the top right corner of our own video and select Hide Self View. Finally, clicking Show Self View will allow us to see our video again. When you would like to stop being seen by others, simply click the camera icon once more to reveal only your name. During the program, the host and other participants may share something in writing with you. If they do, you'll receive notifications of their messages on the chat button, which appears as a speech bubble icon. To see full messages and a list of all the messages you receive, click the chat button. You can respond to every participant or to select participants at the bottom of the chat box. Where it says Type Message Here, we'll thank Chip publicly for welcoming us to the program. You can close the chat box by simply clicking the chat button again. Additionally, the host may enable emoji reactions during the program. By clicking the Reactions button, which appears as a smiley face icon, you can view the emojis available to you and then select one to appear on the top left corner of your video for everyone to see. Responding to polls is perhaps the most straightforward Zoom task. If the host shares a poll, a box will appear. Simply answer the question displayed and click the red Submit button at the bottom of the box. You may need to leave the program before the host ends the Zoom session, but please know that if your device is not working properly, you can always opt to switch from computer to phone audio without leaving the meeting. Simply dial in to one of the numbers listed under phone call. Here we can dial the 646 number at the top and begin participating over the phone. Notice that doing so has changed our mute button from a microphone icon to a phone icon. When you're ready to leave the program, click the red Leave button. And if desired, check the Keep Phone Connected box to continue participating over the phone. Finally, click the red Leave Meeting button to leave Zoom. And that's all you need to know to participate in one of the Museum of Natural History's fun Zoom programs. We look forward to hosting you soon.